High impact trading news for the currency pair US dollar versus Japanese yen. Japanese GDP release on Monday, August 15th at 7:50 p.m. New York time. Hi, I'm about to tell you how to trade the US dollar versus Japanese yen when the Japanese GDP news is released at 7:50 p.m. New York time or at 4:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The gross domestic product GDP is released by the Cabinet Office that shows the monetary value of all the goods, services and structures produced in Japan with a given period of time. GDP is a gross measure of market activity because it indicates the pace at which the Japanese economy is growing or decreasing. A high reading or a better than expected number is seen as positive for the Japanese currency, JPY, while a low reading is negative. I anticipate a lower Japanese GDP reading and or a slightly stronger dollar regarding other circumstances, which would make the US dollar stronger relative the Japanese yen. So in order to make a good profit with my sell limit order, I'm about to make a setup trade at 136. And here I put a sell order. I go in with, let's say, 10 contracts, pretty heavy. And the level 136. And I put my limit order there, sell limit order. Well, why I've put this 136 is due to the fact that we have a supply level zone there. I can show you the first supply level zone. It's here. In this zone, you have the first sell order zone. Actually, this price can go up to a level between this breakout bearish bar. So we can have a dollar strength up into this level, which I think I put my order here, or here, not higher than this level, but somewhere between the level here. There is the supply level zone. But I believe the price will go up here and went down, and a trade continuation on the downside. And this number 136 is also a round number for big institutions to go after, and it is also in the supply zone, as I were mentioning, where sellers are stepping in, going short on the pair. August 15th at 5 p.m. New York time. By the way, I will start the first trading lesson where I will show you how to understand the very first important factor to learn when to trade, and that most important factor is to know where the major and minor support and resistance zones are located in stock and forex market, etc. Happy trading, take care, and see you soon on August 15th at 5 p.m. New York time.